Hi guys. Quanta Research Institute, Rainforest to Hothouse. Case study solution. This case is about growth strategy, IT, research and development, strategy execution. Color instances must be printed in color to maximize their efficiency. Barry Lam, the CEO and founder of Quanta Computer, the biggest notebook computer maker globally, has understood for a long time that he had to transform the business to reduce its reliance on making commodity hardware for other international brands and transfer the business into areas of higher value-added products and services. Thanks for watching this video.